Alright, unboxing for the Panasonic Hc-V100M. Full high definition, So, 16 gig, eternal. So, let's go ahead and try it out. Let's open it up. Just got it from Best Buy today. So, let's see what comes in it. Let's see. Oh, there's the camera itself. Looks pretty cool. Extremely light. Very good. Very good. There's the charger for it, looks like. Oh, looks like you get software with it. Oh, that's kind of cool. And let's see, what else? Hold on, you guys. Alright. Oh, there's the USB plug it comes with, which is pretty cool. Oh, you get like a little AVI thingy, HDMI. That's kind of cool. You get a battery with it, which is kind of cool. And looks like your extension to your charger. And that's what you get when you buy it. So not bad, not bad. Full HD, camera slot. That's where the memory card slot goes if you want to do a memory card. Oh, the HDMI cord goes there. And you can do an AVI, that's cool too. Alright, well, not bad. So, I'll be doing my videos with this camera from now on. That was the unboxing, and this is how the new camera looks. So, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm going to be doing videos with this more often, so I want to go jam out. So, peace out.